Hi there. Thanks for your interest in learning the American accent and improving your English pronunciation by training with me on YouTube. The videos and shorts that I publish here on my channel will always be free to everyone on YouTube. That won't change. And I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and continue to practice your English with me. But for those of you who want more training, more practice, and more feedback on your English pronunciation, I'm offering memberships to my YouTube channel. This is exciting because memberships allow me to give you the exact type of practice and coaching that you are looking for when it comes to improving your English pronunciation. And memberships give you an easy way to support my channel and support the creation of all the English learning content I'll continue to publish here on YouTube. The memberships offer different levels of benefits and features depending on what you need right now. The first level is called Accent Basics, but this level is anything but basic. You'll get loyalty badges that appear next to your name. So when you comment on a video, I'll see that you're a member, and I'll respond to your comment first. That's right. I'll prioritize your comment and answer your questions before everyone else. You can also use exclusive emojis to add some pizzazz and personality to your comments too, which makes things a little bit more fun. Members also have access to exclusive practice videos that are available only on YouTube. So if you want to continue practicing your English pronunciation with me, you can do that right now. Literally, join now and you can start practicing your pronunciation with members-only videos on my channel. Just look for the members-only playlist and you'll see the videos there. I'll continue to publish additional members-only practice videos on my channel so you can continue to improve your pronunciation as we work together on your English skills. This is a huge perk of joining my channel. And just as a reminder, these videos are only available here on YouTube, so the only way to view them is to join. Members will also have early access to any videos that I publish on my channel. And this can be from 1 to 2 weeks before everyone else gets to watch them. This gives you plenty of time to watch the videos first, ask your questions in the comments, and get prioritized responses before the rest of the world even knows about the video, which is pretty cool. The next level is called Accent Plus, and this level includes all the benefits of the Accent Basics level, plus a really cool additional benefit: audio English lessons delivered to your inbox every month. These audio lessons will be in-depth and detailed, but also highly entertaining, as I share with you how I use English in my everyday life. These lessons give me an opportunity to share a little bit about myself with you. So I hope you'll enjoy getting to know me as I teach you the real English that's used by native speakers within the context of real-life stories from my personal experiences. Just share your email address with me, and I'll send you the audio lesson every month. It's as simple as that. The top level is called Accent Premium, and this one truly offers premium top-level benefits. Not only will you receive all of the benefits and perks of the Accent Basics and Accent Plus levels, but you'll also receive member shoutouts in my videos, and you'll also work with me during a private one-on-one live English class every month of your membership. Once you become an Accent Premium member, send me your email address, and I'll send you a link to schedule your first private class. It's that easy. We can work on anything that's important to you during the class. Or, if you're not sure of what you'd like to do, then I'll listen to your speech and give you feedback and coaching on what I hear. All lessons will be 30 minutes, and we'll meet online on Zoom. You can record the classes too, if you want. That way, you can re-watch the class as many times as you want. I hope you're just as excited as I am about joining my channel and getting all of the awesome perks and benefits of being a member. Thank you so much for your support. And even if you don't join today, I hope you'll continue to enjoy the free videos that I publish here. But if you like my teaching style and you want more of my teaching and more personalized help and even private one-on-one online classes with me, then please click the join button below. I can't wait to work with you and help you reach your English speaking goals.